You're watching Prince of Calvin Creations, and today I'm teaching graffiti for beginners. Now, I'm aware that there's a lot of different styles of graffiti, but today I'm just going to be going through a simple piece, a step up from a throw up. If you want to know more about different styles of graffiti, I've left a link in the description for you to find out. Today I'm going to be using good old trusted alcohol markers. If you don't have them, get creative. The things that you need: a notepad or some paper. You can use pencil for an outline also. I started off doing rough outlines with pencil. It's cool, whatever makes you happy.
All right, you can do this with any materials you want. Pen, crayons, yada yada, anything you can write with. For this video, I'm going to be using a set color palette. Your sketchbook. This is the first time I'm going to be drawing on this actually. So put in your scratch paper. This is to stop ink from bleeding through. Base color. Green. So how about a duck? And there's the skeleton. Now you try emphasize on that. Now that you have that done, you can now define the letters. So choose the same color that you chose for your base and imagine a light source is shining down on your piece.
Yo.
What's the story, man? What are you doing?
Good.
So anyway, where were we? Now I'm going to be using Jiffy Eco Marker. I think I got it at like Walmart or something. And I'm going to define the letters. I use black because it's sharp and clean. Dope. For this part, I'm going to be using a stapler pen. It's a chisel tip. Any details you want to include in your piece, now is the time to add them in. Now what we're going to do is pick a color for a backdrop. Use two different tones to make it stand out more. And some white. This is a paint marker.
And there you go. I hope you enjoyed this video and learned something from this. If you did, please hit that subscribe button or thumbs up if you're feeling generous today, because then I'll know you liked it and I can keep making these videos. It is my birthday. If you'd like to see me take on something else, leave some suggestions for me in the description box. Once again, thank you very much.